Right guys, there's a demo for Suzuki Swift. We need to change the door handle. So as you can see, I already opened the door and there's nothing need to be changed more. So we just removed that shade which actually covered up kind of protection on it. So that's an old door. So to remove that handle, there's a screw up here. There was a screw, so I just unscrewed it, and then you just gotta go through that hole, and there was a screw here. I don't know if you can guys see this hole in there, right? So there are two screws up there. So in some cars, if you, after removing these screws, if you just pull this out, it will come out straight away. But with this one, some of them, they have a black protector. So if I can show you, so I don't know if you can see, but see this black one. So if you just push it, there you go. So it's just pushed a little back. So when you pushed it, so you'll be able to push or pull this one out. So you can see I pushed that black one. Just give me 1 second. It's a little hard when you do a couple of things together. So there you go. So easily came out, and then you just take this one off. And just to give you an overview what was in there which was blocking, so it's right there. So and then you can remove this one after. So and then we'll install it in that one. Yeah, this is it. Thank you.